Thank you.
All right. So now we're doing an air box on this BMW 750iL blower motor. We're not changing the whole box, we're just changing the blower motor. In order to do that on these engines, you must take the coolant bottle off, which I'm gonna. So in order to start, you have to take the coolant bottle, but you don't have to take it completely off. You just got to take off the two screws, which is one here, and you pull it to the side like this. And then you will take 5 7mm hexes, which will take this plate off. So you got to take the two first for the wire harness, right there, right there, right there, right there. And then you have to take the 7 mils, which are in these holes right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then there's the 5th one right over there. And in order to get to the one that's the hardest, what I did was I used a long extension and a 7mm magnetic socket. You can do whatever you want with that, but it is in here, right down there, which is very hard because the harness runs right past it. And then you take this plastic sheet off, which covers the airbox. So the airbox is right here. So I'm going to move this coolant bottle out of the way. And you can see there's that plastic pull tab kind of mechanism that they use to hold this airbox in place. On this car, it's very easy. On other cars, I've seen the 8-cylinder is very hard because they have the whole harness sitting right here. So it's not the easiest thing to get to. But we'll show you the rest on how to get this airbox or the blower motor out for cleaning purposes. As for this one, we don't know if the blower motor is in any good condition or if it's just got a lot of crap in it. As this car was sitting for a while, we don't know what's wrong with it. So we're going to take the, I'm going to pull this plastic tab here, which is just pull down, V.
Hold on.
Okay. Okay, hang on. All right, so now there's 2 clips at the bottom. You can see the one hanging down there. Let's see, focus. There, you can see the clip right there. There's one there. There's one there that's on the ground right there. And in theory, this box should just pop right out. So make sure you don't harm the harness. And in theory, it should pop out, up and in. There you go. And oh yeah, looks very great down there. All right, I'll show you in a little bit. All right, so right down here you can see there's 2 electrical connectors, right here and right here. They are the power and ground for the motor. So we're going to take this motor out, which I think, let's pull out the connectors for, oh yeah, look at that. Yeah, that's done, I think. So we're going to take these connectors off nice and gently. Don't harm the connectors, because if you do, you're not going to have a blower motor anymore. So one up here, let's see here. Get a light in the situation. But the light is right here. All right, so there's a connector here, which we're going to use a little flat blade screwdriver. Is it over there near you? No? Up here it is, right next to me. Oh, great. So we're just gonna give it a little. Just gonna give it a little love, because these have been out here for God knows how long. Probably your OEM original. Yeah, it's an original BMW part. So I'm just giving it a little bit of love because you don't want to break these connectors. All right, and it should just pop right off. There you go. So if you notice, they are just spade connectors. You want to bring up close? Yeah, it's just a spade connector on that. And the other one is sheathed because that is the power wire right here. So you want to be sure you don't harm this one because otherwise you will not have any power to the blower motor. Now, this connector, this metal tab, I believe, comes out. Like this, right, buddy? No?
From the back.
From the back.
You can feel it down in there. It's just a tab connector.
You sure?
Yeah, you'll feel it. What you do is, it's got a spring on the back. You'll feel the tip. And you push down and it should pop right out. Maybe you're looking too low.
Yeah. Doesn't feel it.
Feel the cable. Because that's how you clip it in from the front, see?
All right.
So you don't want to disconnect it from there, but if you reach down around the other side of the motor straight down, you should feel a lip, like a tab.
I don't actually feel that. Here, you want to take a look?
No, it's there, bro. I'm telling you. Trust me. Feel the tab. Feel this. Now work your way straight down the middle of it. You're going to feel the other part of it. And then there should be a spring release, like a little, you
Spring
push
release?
either towards you or back, and it should pull straight up. You'll hear it ping like a freaking... It would be in this connection part down below.
Yeah.
It's just a C-shaped.
I actually don't feel it, eh?
Yeah, we'll dig around there. Maybe I'm wrong. Is it in the front on this one? Could be there. I don't know.
Doesn't just go like this, does it?
Hold on.
Oh, press this. All right. So this is our blower motor from the other car. This is what the blower motor looks like out of the car, but this is not the one that's going back in the car. This is just going back in the car right here. This blower motor. So there is a little pin right here that if you just give it a nice little right here, it's a little hole right at the bottom of the clip. And if you just give it a nice little tug like this, come here, there it is. It should just pop right out. Should. Of course, this one's going to fight me. There we go. So that just comes up, and the blower motor comes out. Now, it's easier outside the car, but we're going to take the connectors off and pull it out. This one's got a little fluff in it, but not as bad as the other one we just pulled out.
They don't call it a squirrel cage for nothing.
Yeah.
Literally.
So that's our blower motor that we're going to maybe put in our car. We're going to test it and see if it's better than this one. This one makes a lot of growling noise. This one, maybe not.
Parts car for the win.
Actually, there's no noise coming out of it when I spin it. A little squeak.
Yeah, we can move that up.
Yeah. But we want to test this. So just make sure I give it the right power and ground. Yes, this is ground. This is power. So we're going to test it and we're going to see what it sounds
What you're
like.
going to want to do is keep it away from the spinning part. So
Spinny part, yeah. All right, you can stop it if you want. Okay. So we're testing this motor now. We're going to put some power and ground to it and make sure this motor actually spins. So we're going to turn it on. It does spin, but we're going to give it a little bit more power. I think it's 14 volts this thing is supposed to actually use. So it is pulling wattage. Give it a little. Either that or this motor. Oh no, it's got resistance.
she might be backwards, kid.
Yeah. Yep, that's what the thing was telling me. Backwards voltage. So we're gonna put this here. Put it here.
There you go. No, you're gonna have to juice it.
Yeah. Give it a little more voltage.
Want me to hold it?
Yeah, you can hold that. And I'm gonna just give it a lot more voltage. Turn it off. There you go.
No, this thing's dead.
Yeah, I think that
Or
one's dead.
we're wrong.
No, she's dead. Okay, so this one we just pulled out of the car is dead, we think. But if we take... So the motor we pulled out of this air box here that we have on the bench, it was a junkyard motor. And I'll show you how we know that. See that red labeling there? Yeah. She's a junkyard motor. Still a BMW motor from Bear, but it is a junkyard motor. This is the one that came out of our car, and it's in good condition. We put it on the bench, and you will see that in the video. But it is in good condition, and if you need to know the part number, there's your part number right there. It's a Bear model. It's for the E32 class and body style, but it is that model for this motor. We just cleaned it out a little bit just to see if we can get it to stop squeaking. But yeah, what we're doing. As we said before, this box was from a different car that had got into an accident. So we're just going to throw it away, or not throw it away, but we're going to take the servo motors. And so right here, these servo motors. And we're going to use them in the other car. All right.